Dang, he's 30 minutes late. I'm just gonna go.
Wait! Now am I supposed to get to school? McKinley? Hey.
So you know the plan, right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm having trouble remembering it. Could you just remind me real quick?
So I'm gonna be sitting in the middle of the road, and you're gonna come at me with your car, and then I'm gonna phase through it when you drive at me.
All right, sounds good. I like it.
You ready? Oh, shoot.
I love this song!
Hey, Clifford.
What?
What class do you have next year?
I got film studies.
I have video class. I always wonder who's in it.
I want to have her adopted babies.